Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create an event on Discord. So you're gonna go up here. I think you have to own the server. I'm not quite sure, but you need to create the event. Where is your event? Do you want it to be a voice channel or somewhere else? And select a channel. There's only one channel in my server. So I'm just going to press next, and you can write the topic of your event, the date. You can change it here. It's a little bit laggy. You can also change the start time, and you can also change the description. Like, you can add in your description. For instance, like 5:15 p.m. blah blah blah. And you can also upload a cover image. For instance, this. Okay, that was super random. And then just press next. And then just press create event later. And it'll auto start when it's time. That's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!